Good morning, Rinsid people in the planet Earth. Welcome my on YouTube channel at Jupiter Rikisa FL7WL. Welcome to all my vlogs. It Kamikmik Vlogs. Rikisa Pagsure Oy. J Gamay Chupatin. Rikisa Jupiter Rikisa Vlog. Rikisa Kamikmik Vlog. And other my own vlogs. You know, Jupiter, as the youngest king and the emperor of the universe, you know, my names will be changes. That's why I can make the MOA very surely, accurately, and genuine. There is no one can change my own name without authority to us, the owners, the ownership of my own names. I have my own documents, my own birth certificate. I was read. This is the MOA. I written this morning to make sure I am written not for other people. I can read to you everyone. To rented people, to those people will be changes my own names. Two 2005 10 Nen Si Chuki Pornichi Gusin 36 Bo Mua Jupiter youngest king emperor of universe emperor of animals kingdoms and ancient people emperor of Jupiter Rikisa Roman Catholic Judai Susti prophets saints and Holy Spirit. I am Jupiter Rikisa Emperor Naruto. Legal age 49 years old. Married, no children. Started in Mapawa 1 and 2. Jupiter Rikisa State of Jupiter. Holy Spirits born Otaku, Tokyo, Japan. Or Nihon. This letter to intended for removing all nicknames of Jupiter or other names will be emphasizing to other people. This is the other names. Kamikmek, Chopalop, or Emperor Ayan or other names without or different names. Jupiter, youngest king, and Emperor Universe, I will not to given authorities to uses in different countries like India, Japan, Asia, America, Philippines, Satans, China, Russia, Saudi Arabia, or Persian countries. Only my names is Jupiter or Jupiter Rikisa based on recording our ownership birth certificate. No children's. Dated 2025 October 10 October 6 time for 6 and 4 a.m. in the morning. Jupiter sign. Jupiter youngest king, Emperor universe, Holy Spirit, Hollywood stars, Hall of Fame, and discoveries. You know, I know that the people that's already changes my name because I have already claimings all the things. That's why right now will be changed. You know what's already I can hear somebody if me I will going to the supermarket in Bangkeruhan or Buhangin, he can shoot somebody. Why can you shoot me? Shoot me. So what? You change my own name? You to become signatures man? So what Duterte? Roa Kibuloy? O Diabonicals? I don't think so. Who you? I believe my own majesty, Jesus Christ, not you. You are Karapatas, not your Carabaos. I hope you to become the Carabaos. But me, I will kneel the front of my own majesty of Jesus Christ, the Roman Catholic founded in 33 AD. The mushroom religion, go ahead. You are a genius. So, thank you so much for my YouTube channel and listen and watching. You see my own background, under construction, my own bedrooms. I have a little of money, not donated for other people. Second beside me, hoy, friends, uy, wake up. See, like baby, dadder. Bye bye. Sigoy, Sigoy Jupita.